Okay. Thank you very much, guys, for joining. This is a presentation about start your future career today in a construction trade. You are connected to our information sessions presented by Ideal Institute of Technology. My name is Ren Parikh. I'm a founder and a director of Ideal Institute of Technology. We're located in Mays Landing and in Pleasantville. We're a 501c3 not-for-profit private vocational school. Started in 2016 in a one small room in Sept, New Jersey. This is our 7th year in a business, and we are fully accredited with Middle State. So all of our programs that we offer do have a national certification and an ability to transfer the credits to the college. Our main focus of a training program is information technology, advanced manufacturing and construction trade, film and music production, hospitality management. We also have a very popular and a successful entrepreneurship program, and we have biggest out-of-school youth program in the state of New Jersey. But today, we will focus on careers in a construction trade and our particular program in construction trade. This training is funded through state of New Jersey Department of Labor, called Opportunity Partnership Grant. So anybody is a dislocated worker, anybody is on unemployment, or they exhausted the unemployment, but like to start a career in construction trade, will get a funding through Department of Labor. We have only 20 seats for this opportunity. We are partnering with lots of local and regional employers. So this is an actually opportunity to have a free, if not a paid training, but leading to the job. So I would recommend whoever is sincerely thinking about starting a career in a construction trade, only those individuals consider this, because this is a rigorous and a hands-on training program, and we provide a internship opportunity also by Ideal Builders. So the grant is funded through New Jersey Department of Labor. The particular grant name is Opportunity Partnership Grant. It's going to be training will be provided by Ideal Institute of Technology, and we do have our social enterprise, which is Ideal Builders, which is the licensed, insured, bonded New Jersey construction company located in Pleasantville. That's where our students get a hands-on paid work experience. Besides the Opportunity Partnership Grant, Ideal is awarded all these 5 different grants from the state. We also have 2 other grants from Atlantic County Workforce Development Board. So we already have this class going on, which is funded through NJ Build program, which is Women and Minorities in a Construction Trade. If you guys are interested in just checking in before you guys decide to think that you wanted to start the class or you want to see how the class is going on, the NJ Build program, grant funded program, construction trade, is started already. We are in our 2nd week, so you can stop by at our main street at Pleasantville location. That's where this class is held, 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Thursday. Same program you will be joining through the funding through the opportunity partnership grant, and that class going to be in the morning from September 19th. So before that, if you like to see how the class is, who are the instructors and what we're doing, then you will be able to stop by Monday to Thursday. You don't have to schedule an appointment, just pop in and check it out what we're doing. But besides that, we also have a couple funding from IT. So anybody is interested in having a career in IT, whether in this group or you know anyone who likes to start a career in IT, you can join our pre-apprenticeship or apprenticeship program in a web development, networking, or information technology. We also get a funding through all the South Jersey counties from the One Stop Career Center. So if you know anyone, or you are on unemployment or exhausted the unemployment and interested in training, that's another funding source that you can utilize. All of our programs have a zero out-of-pocket cost. So everything that we do in a program, the tools, equipment, textbook, or the certification fees is included in the tuition. These are the two main campuses we have. The first one is in a Hamilton Mall, Mays Landing. We're on a second level next to food court. That's our main campus. And another location we have, that's where the actual our construction class being held, is at 123 Main Street, Pleasantville. If you guys are familiar with, that's a Route 40 and a Main Street intersection right across JoJo's. That's our own building. That's where we have our woodworking production facility also. Our third location is being built, and we are the proud owner of a previously known as a Press of Atlantic City building, which is 1000 Washington Avenue. That's a 45,000 square foot facility, which is being remodeled by Ideal Builders. That's where our students will get a paid internship once you get an OSHA 30 certification and a skill set to do the actual work. So the both programs through NJ Build or Opportunity Partnership Grant, anyone join, they will actually have a hands-on work opportunity working with Ideal Builders and building our main campus, future main campus at 1000 Washington. Now about the program, it's a 16-week program. We are approved vendor of an NCCER, and I will switch the kind of a session so you get an idea, and you can check it out. This is a national accrediting body for the construction trade training. So whatever the credit, you will get a certification through the NCCER. And if you are searching the programs and partners, we are the training partners of NCCER. And you can look at us, Directory of Accredited Organization. And when we do a New Jersey, this is how you can check it out, that how Ideal Institute of Technology is approved by. This is the Ideal Institute of Technology. This is our Mays Landing campus, and we are accredited by NCCER, and their program, you will be getting trained as certified by NCCER, and you will be listed as a certified construction trade specialist through NCCER as well. Now, the way I was mentioning the eligibility, currently registered with the One Stop Career Center. If you're not registered, I have posted the link in a chat. You guys can click on it and just fill it out. Currently receiving unemployment or exhausted unemployment in last 1 year. Eligible unemployment who meet the definition of VOA dislocated worker, as long as you are 18 years of age or older and you have a high school diploma or high school diploma equivalency. If you don't have equivalency, we provide a free training for that as well. And the program will start September 19th, will end with the job opportunity on a January 24th. We'll take a week and a half off around the Christmas. But besides that, it's a Monday to Thursday, 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Program. We will provide everything that you need to do. That includes the tool belt, that includes with all the equipment that you need, including PPE, also books and material. Now, all these tools will stay in the classroom until you complete the program. After that, it's yours to keep. So all our hands-on work experience program will require you to put a hard hat. Every student will require to have a steel toe shoes, which is not provided by the school, but you will provide it with the tool belt. Now, here's the curriculum that we will be teaching. Every student will have an OSHA 30 certification. Besides that, it's going to be core curriculum of an NCCER. You'll get a certification for that, and carpentry level 1. That's the certification. Those 3 certifications include. Besides that, you will actually have a basic electrical. You will learn to build a full shed through the process. So you will learn the how to read the blueprint, wall system, the roofing, ceiling, the stair, all the things that you need to do to practically build the construction of a shed. Besides that, I also like to share that we will be include the leadership, ethics management, resume writing curriculum also is a part of the training program. We will help you build the resume if you don't have one, and our career development officer will help you look for the job. We do invite quite a lot industry professionals and employers throughout the program, so you can have a one-on-one conversation with them, and they do on the campus recruitment. Last program graduates currently working at a Pleasantville Housing Authority as a facility manager. Some of our students received work opportunity at Atlantic City Electrical as a lineman. Our clients work at the Michaels Corporation also. They are rebuilding some housing projects. Ocean Inc. has a weatherization program. Some of our graduates have a work opportunity there as well. So we do work with lots of the contractor. Few things clarification is most of the construction job starts early morning. So if you're not an early riser, you're not interested in working with the hands, this is not a career for you. This career requires 25 to 40 pound lifting, working with the hands. So it's very important and needs a lot of time, independent transportation. So you should have or should work towards getting a driving license that makes you more employable. If anyone with a background, we have another funding source that get them qualified also. This is the simple process to from today to getting to the work. I have posted the link for the registration. Please fill out the registration form. Once we receive your registration form, we will schedule you for your interview and do the basic assessment of your career goals. And once we finish that, we'll schedule you to start a class once your admissions and funding is approved. The training and orientation class will start September 19th, and hopefully by January 24th, all the students will have all the certification and the job. What happened next is please complete your onboarding process step 1 today, if possible. Interview scheduling, the date is wrong here, but we will schedule your interview next week. And after the interview, we will get the 16-week training program started and get you towards the job placement. Our focus is a job placement. So that's our main goal. We will help every single one of you, not only while you're in a program, but even you graduate, 90 days to lifetime. I always like to say this way, that once you're in Ideal, you're in our family, and we have our family lifelong. So like giving you an example, tomorrow, Atlantic City Electric have an info session for a job opening. They have 100 different job positions for a meter readers, linemen, and quite a few others. It's located, that job session, the info session for those jobs is in Atlantic Cape Community College, Atlantic City campus, 6 p.m. tomorrow. So our current NJ Build class, the whole class is scheduled for that info session. And we will have people from Atlantic City Electric coming there and sharing the requirement. And that's how we had our last class, couple of clients get a job. It's $25 an hour as lineman in Atlantic City Electric company. So I'll pause here and take any questions if anybody have any questions.
So where do we go to get the link?
In a chat box. And after this session, I have everyone's email. I will email also. Here, if you look at the chat, I resend the link. It's a very simple step-by-step form that you can fill it out, click the link and fill it out.
Yeah, I got it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Anyone have any question? While you guys are looking at, let me show you the last class, some pictures, which we have on our, and I would like to share our Ideal Builders NJ. This is our construction company that's run by our students. This is actual picture of our classroom. So on our Facebook, so you guys can get an idea of what you guys will be doing. And it's a very interesting classroom system that we have, where our students can actually work on okay, here's the Ideal Builder Facebook page, and you guys can look at our photos, and you will get an idea that this is our current class. We just started. I was teaching last week, but this is actual classroom. This is our woodworking manufacturing unit. Our students, they actually manufacture the outdoor furniture. This is actual classroom. This is our students working. And our students don't work for free. After getting the skill set, probably a month, and get the OSHA certification, we do provide work opportunity, and it's a paid work opportunity. We pay around $15 an hour stipend while you're in a class to work on any of our projects. So Ideal Builders put out a schedule. Like giving you an example, we're building right now one museum in a Tanger outlet, and we have a contract to do the work. So our students actually go to the work site and do the work, part of the program. So that's outside your schedule hours. So if you're scheduled 8 to 1 for a classroom, you do the class. But then if you have a work opportunity, we can schedule you for 2 to 10 or 2 to 5, depends on the hours and depends on the shift. At Ideal Builders, you're able to do. Now, some of the work opportunity is at the wood shop, then you will be able to work in a wood shop also. And this is an actual product, and we sell in our entrepreneurship class. We actually teach how to sell on Etsy or Amazon. So the product that get manufactured in a wood shop, we have entrepreneurship students. They actually sell it on eBay, Amazon, and Etsy, and they generate the revenue in that way. So this is a gentleman who worked, who was our graduate. He worked at the Pleasantville Housing Authority Facility Management. So that's the goal of showcasing that how our classroom actually look and how our students. And this is the actual product that we manufacture and we sell. So that's the way we can sustain our paid work opportunity. That's our classroom. And that's our last class students who actually build the shed, and that's a shed that they actually build. This is the structure. This time the class gonna build 14-foot by 20-foot shed, and that's the class project. And you will be doing the framing, drywalling, electrical, flooring, roofing, a complete project. Women and minority-owned funding teaches students how to do the estimating. So a lot of time the construction management part, they get a job that way also. So this was the shed that we were building. I was in a class, and that's the shed that we build. We also provide an opportunity to build sheds. A lot of customers, they buy from us, and our students actually go and build. And in that process, we share the revenue with our students. So that's a paid work experience that students can take it with us. I'll pause here. Anybody have any questions? Sure, you can unmute. Go ahead.
Yeah, my phone's on 2% and I have to leave. If I cut out, can I just continue on with the registration?
Absolutely. Feel free to do so.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna stand to this time.
You got
Try
it, no
to.
problem. Miss Robinson, you're on a mute. You can unmute. You're still on a mute. You have to unmute.
I'm doing it.
Okay.
Hello.
All right.
Hi, I am here to recruit. After listening to your presentation, I want to take the class also.
Sure. Please fill out the registration form.
I'm 61, okay, and my skill set lies in
You are mute again. I cannot hear you. I think you have a difficulty, technical difficulty. Please reach out to me after the sessions. One of the counselors will schedule you to connect with
Hi,
us.
I'm sorry. I received a call from one of the people that I had signed up. He just told me, are you still there?
Yes, I'm here.
He told me I began recruiting about a month ago for you. I
Mhm.
didn't meet you. I had someone that was going to teach you just strictly electricity, and maybe that contract didn't work out yet, but I continue to recruit for you. So
Sure.
maybe I have 5 or 6 students in your class, maybe less. I'm not sure. But that was the dad to 2 of your students. He said they go at 5 o'clock in the evening.
Correct.
I have someone else signed up yesterday. Right now, that's not what I want to talk about. I'm interested in learning a skill set in carpentry or building that shed. That is very interesting to me. When I was a kid, I used to follow my dad around. So I realized I missed the class by yesterday, right?
Correct. So our next class will start September 19. Please fill out the registration form and we will process it and we'll schedule you.
Thank you. As far as recruiting, I need a little more information. I'll come out to the school.
Absolutely.
And
you can come out and meet with Ms. Dara. She's our school director at the Pleasantville campus. She will guide you and provide you all the information.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Anybody else have any questions? Okay. If not, thank you very much for joining. I'm looking forward for your registration form, and we will schedule you for a one-on-one interview. And hopefully everyone will start in a class.
I have another question for you.
Sure.
I recently called about an hour ago for people to sign up for this class. I don't know if they're on here with you right now.
If they are not, you can share the link for a registration form, have them fill out, and our staff will schedule. And everybody who register or we have an email, we'll send them the registration form as well.
So I can talk to Dora. Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for joining.